In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can change your card limit and TransferWise. Whether you're using the mobile app or the website, the steps are the same. So you're going to select card, select edit limits. Here you have two options. You can edit your ATM withdrawal limits or your spending limits. So let's select spending limits. So here my daily limit is 55,000 CAD and my monthly limit is 55,000 CAD. So to change it, select change your limits and specify the amount that you want to change it to. So let me say $1,000 and monthly $1,000. Then select save. And as you can see, my spending limits were updated. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.